All three of us caught air off that. Did you catch air off it? Oh God. Wonder where left goes. You don't know where every single turnoff goes? I heard that rev come through your audio. Oh my God, these front forks. They're horrible. They're bottoming out. Need a better bike for that. We'll wait till you trade before we publish. If that thing doesn't start again, you might be trading today. Feel like I'm racing up, what's that mountain they race up out west? Pikes Peak. Campbell's Peak. I know. Yeah. I don't know. Oh, trailers. I don't know. This looks like a pretty public road. I mean, aren't we on 5 Mile? Guy waved. He's probably up here trying to put this fire out. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my gosh. But it wouldn't have mattered because you'd have had that old camera. Oh, okay. Way before cameras, so like 1800. Gotta be, right? Everywhere, dude. Yep. Any Jeeps? Yeah, dude, relatively smooth. Yep. would be. That's what I want to figure out how to do. I'm gonna fix that on Monday. I don't get to do this enough, so I need to be able to like conveniently do it and enjoy it when I get to do it, you know. That's what I was just saying to the camera before I connected with you. From now on, I just need to replace every battery in every bike every year. Before I ride it, just get a battery. A new, what? Side by side? I bet you the overlook was up there at the top. We had to cut off. I bet. I don't know. No clue. Yeah, it did. Yeah, there's an uphill right there. Did you see that road behind us, directly behind us? Yeah, I would. At least figure out where this goes, and we can always backtrack. I can't even see your lines. I can't even hardly see what lines Mason's taking between the dust and being so far away. I know, these are a blast. Your bike got very close to the edge of the road right there after hitting that jump. Whoa, about endoed it. Yeah, I know, right? I've never even serviced this thing. No. Holy cow! I had to panic rev this thing. Oh! I just rode up beside Mike and clunked my suspension and the bottom out. He just thumbs up and roosted me and rode away. Oh my God. I don't know, buddy. I don't know, man. no you guys, or just me. I think just keep going, man. Let's figure out where this goes, and then if it goes somewhere we don't want to be, we'll just backtrack. Is this the overlook? Oh my god, that's freaking TJ stuff right there, buddy.
That's where they were testing that thing we saw at the dealership.
Wow. Alright, hopefully this thing restarts. If not, I got a great little...
It off the hill. Right
yeah,
here.
we'll just go right off here and... Dang, this is great, guys.
Oh, there's a car over the hill. That's awesome.
Oh my god.
Epic.
Anybody need a car?
What?
Yeah, look, right there, buddy. Where's your one?
Oh my gosh. Looks like people have ridden down here.